Alright guys, we're in between rainstorms and whatnot. I ran out and got some hay, and I was like, what the heck, I'm already out. So I stopped by Harbor Freight and I grabbed the next panel up from the other one we got. The other one was 9 watts, this is 18. Ooh. I probably should have checked the package because it looks like this one was opened up before we tape back together. Hopefully it's not a return or something. Always gotta check your boxes, make sure they're factory sealed. Oop, I heard a crack. But this is the same as the other one, but I think it's just double of them. Yeah. So now you get 4 panels. The other one was 2. And it's supposed to charge 2 devices at once. Let me hold it up. So there's not even any sun out or anything, and I'm already picking up a little reading on it. I can't, let's see. Let's look at the sky. Somewhere over there. Sort out, a little bit of UV showing through. A lot of UV comes through the clouds. I don't know how solar panels work, to be honest. I just started messing with them. So pretty simple, opens right up. There should be a little side dealie. It pops out right here. I'll plug her in. Drop it out like so. Does it have little feet? It's got a set of foot. That holds them out. Oops, sun popped out for a second. It's actually, I got 2.5. We got 2.5. Sun popped out for a minute. So it is working. Here's my Anchor battery bank. I don't know if you can see, but it is starting to charge. The light is flashing. I have no idea how long that would take. Panels are out. What do we got now? 1.0, but there ain't no sun. So it's picking up some solar. So not bad. I don't know which way it folds up though. That's okay, that's the outside, so you just fold it. It's got the same old magnet click. 2 ports. Got the little foot, folds up fairly small. So, not bad. Got the thing you don't need. Yeah, there's the other one. Now they did have another square one, but it was only 7 watts. And it wasn't foldable. It was like a hard panel. And it was like $2 less. So I thought it was kind of odd. So I figure, what does it say on here? So it's 2 times USB outlet, up to 3 amp output, 1.5 amp per hour port USB. So it's not bad. I figured I'd just do a real quick video. Like I said, I'm just getting into the solar panel stuff, checking it out. The newer panels nowadays seem to be, they are a lot better than old school solar panels where right now they would do nothing. And this thing is actually doing something. Okay? Little preparedness thing. I know it's, people don't like to talk about preparedness or do preparedness, but it's very important. Opposite of survive is not survive. So just a few little things like this, quality of life things. They do have a lantern that pulls out. It's a lantern, but it's a rechargeable lantern. So I think that'll be our next Harbor Freight purchase. I did join the little, what is it, the Blue Club or whatever the hell, Blue Deal Club. You get like some free tools and it was like 20% off on the weekends, and that's usually when I go because I'm off. So that's not bad, $29 for the year if I save some money, do some extra videos. We'll probably get the lamp. We'll run it down. A sunny day, I'll put the panel out and we'll see if it'll charge it in a day. Because ideally, you're not going to be staying up all night anyway with the lantern. Ideally, it's just for, right now we're having storms and all that, and the power goes out, and it's nice to have a little bit of light in the dark. I get a little light in the dark. I think unfortunately the lantern was like, it's $49, so it's almost as much as a solar panel, but that's just like, you know, you need one and the other. But the battery bank's super handy. This thing's chunker though. It's I can't even read it no more. I think it was 40K, 40,000 milliamp battery. I'll probably get the Night Core light one, which I think is 20, but it's like, you know, thin, size of your cell phone, super light for going camping. It's heavy, chunky, but it's just for around the house and out here. So, the idea, I want to get into solar just a little bit, just for helpful, handy purposes, especially when we go way out over there. I got fencing and things to do, and the grass is growing like crazy. Rain all week, so let me know if you got one of these solar panels. You know, it's not super heavy. I don't know if it'd be taking it camping. I don't know if I'd take it camping or whatnot. I'm not sure if it's waterproof. Does it say anything on it? I don't see an ANS rating. 5-volt DC, normal output. I don't know, I have to look into that. I'm not sure if I can just leave it out and it gets rained on. But anyway, if you leave it out and it rains, you're not really getting much charge. So, do let me know if you have it and let me know how it holds up. The lady there said she's only ever seen one come back, and the guy thinks he broke it. So, we'll see. I didn't buy the insurance because, you know, I'm not really gonna strap it to the hood of the truck or nothing. When we get back in before it rains, do like and subscribe, and let me know what the next thing we should get. They have bigger folding ones too, like real good size. I may get that, but we don't have a power station right now, so I don't think I need that. This is just to top off my battery. Probably that lantern, maybe 2 of them lanterns. It just depends. You could rotate them out, because right now we've only had sun for 5 minutes, 5-10 minutes in like 3 or 4 days. So, and grapevines are doing great, and tomatoes and squashes coming up. 2 corns. I'm not sure if I have to replant corn, so stay tuned.